And there it is, latest built-in, 15 feet 2 3/8 of an inch wide. Center section is 5 feet wide. The sides are 55 5/8. And you're asking yourselves, how do you span that and not be worried about it sagging? Well, you'll see here there's a shelf missing. So it's not missing, it's right there. But there's going to be a speaker there, and we're leaving it off for now so you can actually get up in here and paint. Because obviously there's only 4 inches of room when it's in, and you won't be able to paint up there. So you can put the shelf in after it's painted. So I'm going to show you the engineering here. So there's your front rail, and if you look at the grain, it's oriented with the grain up, and the nailer is also the same, and that's 2 inches thick, and that's engineered. So highly unlikely to sag. 1/2 inch top and bottom. This thing's pretty rock solid, and that's the construction for all of this. Now the doors, if you notice the grain on those, it's all vertical grain, and these doors are all wider than 2 feet, obviously. MDF panels, as I typically do, because that gives you the flattest paint surface. This is obviously going to be painted, and it looks pretty good. Of course, I made everything super precise, but the floor was out of whack, the walls were out of whack, as normal. I've never been in a house where things were perfect, so a little bit of fiddling around. Here's my buddy Linus. Hey. It's for all you dog lovers out there. Anyhow, it's done. I'll move on to the next thing. You guys will see me driving across the country here pretty soon. Bye.